Slide number 19. We have the word staff. The staff represents to 5 lines and 4 spaces, as we have 5 fingers, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and you have spaces. So each one we can name a note and remember them for reading purposes. Similarly, the left hand, if you want to play your left hand. So let's learn the right hand. So the line always starts from bottom to top. You read line 1, line 2, line 3, like from bottom to top. So for a line note, I indicate through a word called L, alphabet, which is passing through the L. So that means they are the notes which are cut by the lines. On the right side, you find the notes which are placed in the spaces. They are sitting in between the two lines. Line 1, line 2, there's a space. Line 2, line 3, similarly the spaces. So notes are arranged and read universally through this concept, which is called staff. So a staff is set of 5 lines in which musical notes are written for reading and playing purposes.